Educational values, high intellect, respect to each other, respect to other people, respect to elderly, respect to the kids. And I have to tell you about the kids. When I see kids here in Pakistan, I see kids with a smile, kids who are happy, kids who are playing with each other. That tells you a lot about this society. And what I'm finding very important for the kids here, I see discipline. Discipline. We're having a lack of discipline for some kids in the United States of America. And that's why sometimes we're experiencing problems in the society, because those kids without discipline are becoming adults. Pakistan is the great country with the great people. You deserve to have a perception of a people who are delivering a lot of smile, a lot of peace to other nations. And some people in other parts of the world, they need to learn your history. Because the land where we came from is about 400 years old. The land here is about 8,000 years old. And maybe this is one of the reasons why people are still smiling at each other, talking to each other with a peace and desire to cooperate and communicate with each other. So I want to thank you again. I want to thank